Okay, so how can you upload YouTube videos the right way? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's get started right away. So you want to go to youtube.com. Now, once you're on YouTube, you want to sign into your account, but I assume that you're already signed in. Now, if you are, then you can click on the create button right here, and you can then find upload video. Click on upload video. This will send you over to the brand new YouTube studio. Now you can choose to upload with the classic one by clicking on upload with classic at the top right corner. However, I recommend using the brand new YouTube studio because chances are this will be removed very soon. Now next up, you can click on select files. You want to find a video that you want to upload. So I'm going to choose a video. Let me go with this video right here. Now once you do that, it's going to upload the video and it's basically going to start processing your video. Depending on the size file and the frames per second, the quality and all of that, it might take a while. Now first of all, you would need to give your video a title. A title is required on YouTube. Every single video needs a title. Now let's say that I want to title this YouTube video tutorial. You basically put in YouTube video tutorial and that's it. Next up, you can enter a description. Now a description isn't required. However, I highly recommend you do this because it helps your video perform on YouTube. So you can give a brief overview of what's going to happen in this video. So for example, I can say in this video, I show you how you can upload videos onto YouTube. So how you can upload or how to upload YouTube videos in 2020. Now I recommend making this way longer and giving like a brief overview of what's going to happen in the video. You can also link your social media accounts and subscribe links and all of that good stuff. Now next up, you can add a thumbnail to your YouTube video. A thumbnail is also really important because if people don't click on your video, they're not going to watch it, so you're not going to get any views or likes or comments or subscribers. Now the most important factor for someone to click on your video is indeed the thumbnail. So you want to click on upload thumbnail right here, go into your files, find your thumbnail, and then click on open, and this will add your thumbnail to your YouTube video. Now in order to add thumbnails, you need to make sure to verify your YouTube account, and you can do that by simply adding your phone number and verifying the code that they will send you. Next up, you can add your video to a playlist. So I already have a bunch of playlists. If you don't have one yet, you can click on new playlist and you can create one right here. YouTube tutorial. You can choose to make this playlist public, private, or unlisted. If you choose unlisted, the only people that will be able to see it are the people with a link to the playlist. Now next up, we've got the audience. So is this video made for kids or not? So that's up to you guys. You should review your video and enter if it's made for kids or not. Now my video is not made for kids, so I'm going to set it at no, it's not made for kids. Next up, you want to click on more options right here to add the tags. Right here, you can enter tags for your videos. Now make sure that these are relevant tags and not just some random popular tags. Make sure that they're relevant to your video so that YouTube can actually find out what your video is about and then find the right audience for that video. So for example, for this video, I could say, or I could use the tags, how to upload a video on YouTube, how to upload YouTube videos, and I can keep going like that. So make sure that these tags are indeed relevant to your video. If you're just going to put in random tags, YouTube will notice that the tags in here are not the same as your content, and chances of them promoting your video are way less. Next up, you want to make sure that you publish this to the subscription feed and you notify your subscribers so that people can actually find your video. And that's pretty much it for this process. Then you want to click on next, and you can choose to add end screens and cards to your videos. If you want to add cards, you can click on add right here, and then it should send you over to this page where you can actually select a timestamp, then click on add card, click on create, and you can then choose videos and also playlists to add onto your video in a card. So I'm going to click right here, select a video, and then click on create card, and that's how you can add a card to your video. Once you're done setting this up, you can click on return to YouTube Studio right there at the top right corner, which will then send you over to your uploading process. So we'll just have to wait for that, and let's see, there you go. Now, because I uploaded a short video, I'm not able to add end screens, but it works exactly the same as adding cards. You click on add right here, and you can then add an end screen. Click on next once you're done, and you can then choose to publish your video privately, unlisted, or public. You can also schedule your video. So let's say that you want to do this automatically and you want it to go live, let's say tomorrow at 3 p.m. You then select that time. You can also set it as a premiere, and then you click on schedule, and by doing so, you will schedule your video to go public on June the 5th, 2020 at 3 p.m. in my case. Now you can do that with any date. So that's pretty much how you can upload videos onto YouTube. If this video helped you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video and let me know in the comments down below if it works and if you're going to use this, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.